What's going on, guys? Mr. GMT here, and this is a cold startup on a 2015 Golf R.
Well, looks like we got to do the oil.
This morning we need to do the oil change on the Golf R. As you can see behind me, I don't have a lift, and I really don't feel like jacking up the car either. So what do? I've got the solution. So I went on Amazon and bought the Excellent Work Experience Oil Extractor. Ta-da! How does this work? Well, on the Golf R, the oil filter is located on top of the engine bay. So I really don't need to get up underneath the car to let the oil out of there or out of the oil pan. With the oil extractor, I just simply slip a tube down the dipstick hole and suck it on out. Let me show you. But first, we want to warm up the car a little bit, and then we got to let it cool off. So, with the magic of YouTube, we'll go ahead and do that now and skip that step and get right to the process.
Peace. I'm out.